Hi everyone, welcome to Joy's Kitchen. So for tonight dinner, we're going to cook beef with broccoli. Request by my hubby. Simple and easy recipe. So tara, umpisahan na natin. Ang onion pa-slice. And tayong green onion for garnish. Bell pepper. We have 2 pounds of beef chuck roast. Painit tayo ng mantika. Unahin natin ang bawang, luyan, din natin ang beef, 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Add 2 cups of water, covered with lid until get tender. Let's check. I think the meat is tender. 1/3 cup of oyster sauce, bell pepper, broccoli. Luto na po ang ating beef broccoli. Tikman natin. Perfect. Let's eat. Thank you for watching.